how to change LinkedIn language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your language on LinkedIn. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your LinkedIn app and then head over to your profile in the top left and then go to your profile name. Now go to the gear icon in the top right corner and then you need to head over to account and preferences. Now scroll down and you can see language under general preferences. Just tap on it and then you can see that the LinkedIn app uses the same language that is currently set on your device. However, you can change the preferred language for an app only if more than one language is installed on a device. So what you can do is you can come back and then you can go to content language and then you can change it. So tap on change and then just go and tap on the language that you want to change to and then come back. Now the content will be translated to this, but as you have read here, if you want to change the app language itself, then you need to head over to your settings. You need to go to general and then scroll down, go to language and region, and then you need to go to add language and choose your preferred language from here. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.